Hi, I'm Dr. Shoma Sarkar, a practicing dermatologist and an aesthetic physician. Now coming to the season, summer season is the one which is the most troublesome season, because in this season we see a lot of sweating, we see a lot of oily skins and a lot of sebum production, and specifically for certain conditions like acne and with the teenage crowd. Now with the teenage crowd, what happens is like your hormones are any which ways at surge. Plus, sometimes your sebaceous glands are pretty hyperactive. In this condition, you have a lot of acne breakouts, you can have aggravation of the existing acne, and it can really be troublesome, especially when it comes to your confidence. Because as a teenager, you would like to visit social gatherings, you would go to your college, you would want to meet your friends on dates or lunches, and if you have a full face with acne, it definitely disturbs your confidence level somewhere. I feel that one of the brands which is very close to my heart is the Sebium Gel Moussant. I like this product very much for a reason. Because first off, it doesn't disturb the pH balance of the skin, it maintains the equilibrium, so it doesn't irritate the skin. Secondly, it has copper sulfate and zinc sulfate, which again stabilizes your skin barrier system. Use this cleanser to wash your face 2 times a day and not irritate the skin, because please remember, when we are treating acne patients, they are also on lot of irritating topical agents, and we don't want to disturb the pH with the cleanser again. When I have to put the patient on some oral medication, topical retinoids, my Sebium Gel Moussant works the best.